We have participated in the Rocky Mountain Institute's seminar that's going on today and tomorrow for Building Energy Modeling Innovation Summit. And being a co-sponsor of that, I think, is a wonderful opportunity to really look at where the industry is going and move things forward in a coordinated fashion with all of the stakeholders from the industry represented. I think RMI has assembled the best and the brightest, and it's fun to be part of that activity.
I think that in order for the industry to move forward, in order for us to save a lot of energy and grow the energy modeling industry at the same time, we need to embrace doing things very differently.
But it's generally not the design that's the problem, it's the end use of the building that we have no clue how it's going to get used. And that is a complete disconnect in the market in terms of how they understand what we're trying to do. And in the same way that people, a LEED AP after your name does not mean you know how to design a green building, it means you know how to use the LEED rating system. That is also something that is somewhat lost in the market at the moment if you ask to the general public.
There's a few things that the modeling industry as a whole could do to help move this forward. And one is try to come up with a vetted consensus list of services that a typical energy modeling practitioner can offer.
In a lot of different ways, the energy modeling industry is in its infancy now. It hasn't been standardized or automated to nearly the extent that it could. There's not the level of information sharing across energy modelers that you'd like to see. The less standardized it is, the harder it is to have a feedback cycle, to learn from experience and to track down the sources of errors.
We wanted to think about methods that would help people take their situation, understand what the right question was, and then to adapt or tailor their approach based on what the specific project needed.
We're all the way there on knowing what we can offer, but as far as figuring out how to explain it so that someone could understand what we can offer in an elevator speech, we're at a 2 or a 3 out of 10.
Although we all work in the same industry, we really get the chance to work together. So in some ways this is great practice. And what we hope to come out of it besides this practice of collaboration is a plan for future collaboration.